Welcome back, my beautiful creatures. Just a fun, quick little update. I am babysitting this cute little Oliver, and it is attacking my fiance's arm. I love it so much. It's so cute. Oliver! Oliver! Hi, bud. Hi. So we're just watching this guy for the next 3 days, and what a better way to start off the new year than with a cat, or the end of the new year.
The end of the new year.
End of the New Year's. But it is so cute and so black. And very vocal too, which I love. No! Well, I'm sure I'll update you more on this little guy, but until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and all that humbo jumbo.
Yes.
Attack. And as Eclipse would say, be kind to someone. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.